Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to have sea moss gel. First, let's prepare your raw sea moss. Begin by rinsing the dried sea moss under cool, running water for several minutes to remove any impurities. Next, place the cleaned sea moss into a large bowl and completely cover it with filtered water. Allow it to soak for a minimum of 6 hours, or ideally overnight, until it significantly expands and softens. Once your sea moss is fully rehydrated, it's time to create the gel. First, drain the soaking water completely. Then, transfer the expanded sea moss into a high-speed blender. Add about 1 to 2 cups of fresh, filtered water. Blend on high for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until you achieve a smooth, creamy, and consistent gel-like texture. It should be completely lump-free. Proper storage is key to maintaining the freshness of your sea moss gel. Once blended, carefully pour the gel into a clean, airtight glass jar. It's crucial to store the gel in the refrigerator right away. When stored correctly, your homemade sea moss gel will typically last for about 2 to 3 weeks. Remember to label your jar with the date it was made. Now that you have your sea moss gel, there are many ways to enjoy its benefits. A common method is to add 1 to 2 tablespoons to your daily smoothies or juices. You can also stir a small amount into oatmeal, yogurt, or even applesauce. For culinary uses, it acts as a natural thickener in soups and stews. It's truly versatile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.